Hey, welcome back to this second tutorial. In this lesson, we are going to compare and experiment with the object mode and the edit mode so you can see the differences between them. In object mode, just simply there's a lot of things you can do, but just for starting out, know that in object mode you can't really edit this cube, but you can grab it just like we did in the last lesson. You can scale it, you can rotate it, but we can't really edit this object. So in order to edit it, let me just do a new cube here. Okay, so in order to edit this, you can go to this menu and change it to edit mode. Another way I recommend doing this is just using the tab key, and that'll switch you in between the different modes. So let's look at edit mode now, and there are 3 important edit modes to know that you're going to be using all the time. The first one is this vertex selection / edit mode here. And so just in basic terms, like a vertex, when you've got 2 or more lines that intersect at a point, that's the vertex. I know there's more elaborate definitions, but just to keep things simple, I like just referring it, as a point. So you'll probably hear me say, like a point edit. But so anyway, if you select this point right here and you try to scale it, so let's click on S after we select the point, nothing really happens, and that's okay. But let's try to click on R, so type R to rotate, nothing really happens. But if we type G for grab now we can kind of move this point around and kind of shape this cube to where we want it to be. So that's kind of cool. All right, the next one is line selection mode. So you can see now when I highlight a line, it'll allow me to do similar edits where I can grab, scale, and rotate. So let's do a grab here on this line. As you can see, it pulls it up. If I type R and move my mouse, you'll see that it rotates the line. And just like in our last lesson, if you haven't gone through the first tutorial, I highly recommend it because we show how you can confine the grab, scale, and rotation to the X, Y, and Z axis. All of those same things that we learned in the first lesson apply to this lesson as well. So make sure to go back and watch that first tutorial. But anyway, yeah, so we can do all kinds of things just using grab, rotate, and scale. Let's try to scale this line. Whoops, we don't want it to go inside out. That'll cause some issues that we'll talk about later. But that's scaling. Now let's go to the face mode here. So if we click on face, it's the same type of thing. You'll see it highlights the entire face, and you can do a grab and pull it. I can confine it to like an axis. Let's do Z, for example. See, and it'll go vertically. So just, yeah, go ahead and experiment with these different edit modes, and you'll see how it all works together. But let's try scaling, so you can scale it out too as well. And let's see, we can grab it as well. So let's grab this face right here, and let's grab it. So I will add some information on where you can learn more about these different modes from the official Blender manual. So I highly encourage you to read those articles to get some more information on it. But in this lesson, this is all I wanted to focus on. I want to keep these lessons short and digestible. But play around with that and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks a lot. Bye.